Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS3420 printer. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. Now first step is to switch on the printer and go to your device, for example iPhone or Android phone. Download the Canon app, that is the Canon Print app. Open this app. It will ask you to search for available printers. So click yes. You might get a message printer cannot be found, so click OK button. On the next screen, click on the printer cannot be found option and it will search for your available printer here. On the next screen, click on the auto connection. Our printer has a button like this, so click yes. Now press and hold this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, release it and confirm it on the screen. Now click OK and go to the Wi-Fi setting of your phone. Wait for your printer's network to appear here. You can see TS3400 series, click on it. Once it is connected, we go back. Open the Canon Print app again. Click OK. You will see your Wi-Fi network here, so click on the yes button. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi network and click on the done button. You will see your printer is available. Click cancel button, close it. This way you can connect your printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. From here you can start wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.